Well, hello there, my crafty friends. I wanted to show you my paper hoard. Yes, you, like me, have an addiction for paper, just yours might not be as bad as mine. But my thing is, I have a scrapbook store, so that just enables the addiction. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I've been working on. I keep mentioning it, and it's been since Christmas. It's taking forever. I feel like I'm going to be saying the same thing in November. It's just now with my foot, I'm really limited to how much I can do in a day. And oh my gosh, it's just taken an eternity, but I am really happy with how it's coming out. So I did want to show you. So this is my dining room. We split my dining room into two halves. We made the right hand side all my scrapbook store inventory, and the left half has all the antique store inventory. That is still a ways to go too, as I haven't been able to get into the antique stores to organize. So that is still needing more work. So I'm going to show you a little glimpse of that side in a minute. But that really is still in process. Sean's been working on it a lot, and it's just a lot. But yeah, so these racks that we put in here hold an immense amount of weight. I couldn't believe it when I looked up how much weight they will hold. It's pretty incredible. And then the smoky gray bins are from the Container Store. They come in small, medium, large, extra large, starting from $3.99. They go up in a dollar increment to $6.99, and they're perfect for paper. Paper fits in them lengthways, any size. So depending on how large my collection is, I'm able to use the different size bins. So it's perfect for organizing. It's easy for me to just go and pick out what I want if I'm making a kit. And then at the top, I have extra storage I don't use. And then at the bottom, I have totes of extra inventory. As the bin's empty, I can fill them back in. Of course, then a whole bunch of Echo Park paper on the end there, which doesn't fit. But yeah, so there's lots of storage. And in the middle there is where I normally put all my totes when I'm doing a show. So that's why I have them out right now. So I figured I could show you everything. So what do you think? Is your paper hoard as big as mine? It's pretty bad, huh? So you can see the other side with the antique stuff. Same thing, just totes. But right now it's still work in progress. So that's what's going on here. As I say, it's taking forever, but I just wanted to show you a quick glimpse. I'm really happy with how it's coming out, and it's really working for me. Have a great day.